Hi there. Today's a video of this chest that I made out of 2x4s, sheet metal that I had left over from my mudroom renovation, and some cast iron brackets and hinges. Here we go. So it is 33 inches and a half across, horizontally, if we're looking at it right now. It is 26 vertically. And then the height is 22. This is my first thing I ever made from scratch. So basically I just used a lot of screws, decking screws, 2-inch and 3-inch. And then 2x4s. Okay, so, but this here is 1x6s and 1x3s for the lid. And this is really cool. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I originally was going to use this for outside, but it came out so nice, I might just use it for the inside. I'm going to put handles on the side. They haven't come yet. I was thinking of putting handles right here. Some wrought iron handles right there and on the other side. It's very heavy because it's made out of 2x4s. But it's pretty nice. And I painted it turquoise, my mom's favorite color. And that's it. Thanks for watching.